everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss about something which we all go through, setback. Whether it is a failure, a missed opportunity or a rough patch, life can knock us down, but bouncing back is possible. In this video we will discuss about few steps which can help you come stronger no matter what life throws your way. Step 1 is to acknowledge the setback. It is very tempting to push away the negative emotions, but ignoring them won't make them go away. So take a moment to reflect on what happened. It is okay to feel disappointed or frustrated. It is part of being human. Recognizing your setback and accepting your feelings is the first step to moving forward. The next step is to reframe your mindset. Instead of seeing it as a setback, try to see it as a learning experience. Ask yourself what you can learn from this. Ask yourself what you can do different next time. Remember, every setback has the potential to teach you something valuable. Now, let's talk about action. Once you are ready to move forward, set small, actionable goals to rebuild your confidence. Big challenges can feel overwhelming, so breaking them down into smaller steps can be more manageable. For example, if you are bouncing back from a career setback, focus on updating your resume or try to reach out to a new connection. If you are recovering from a personal loss, then set goals around self-care. Go for a walk or try to connect with a friend. Next, surround yourself with positive influence. Whether it is supportive friends, uplifting books, or podcasts that inspire you. Having positivity around yourself can make a huge difference. One of the most important things to remember is to be kind to yourself. Setbacks can bring out harsh self-criticism, but beating yourself won't help you move forward. So remind yourself that setbacks are normal and bouncing back is a process. Be patient with yourself. It is okay if it takes time. Finally, take a moment to visualize your comeback. Imagine yourself overcoming these setbacks and reaching out to your goal. Remember, setbacks are just part of life. They don't define you. What matters the most is how you respond to them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow in another video.